Hey, what's up, guys? Squad Destroyer. Today, we are playing this game. I'm with some buddies. Oh, nice, the beast left. Han, did you guys join? You guys need to join. Come on. It's the tits. Spencer, you're gonna join me, right? Oh, really? Yep. RBX City. Yo, we got some weird kids spamming out. Let's spam out with them. Oh, wait. Shit. Yo, look at me having a seizure. I Liberals. Press the question mark to chat. Yeah, the question mark. Like not with shift, just like the slash question mark. It worked, right? Brother. Oh, because people were complaining about the speed hacker or what? Oh no! You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking. Oh my god. I literally ran into the beast. This sucks. Fools. Save. Save me, fools. Remington 8? Dude, I've had that gun. That was like one of the first guns I had. Save me! Dude, this sucks. Like, if Marcella underscore 5848 doesn't come save me, we're gonna have some problems. Dude, she's camping. It gets demonic. Okay, I died. This sucks. You know what? I'm gonna join you, Matthew. Screw this. Alright. Tommy gun added. Wait, are they are they trying to are they trying to oh they're trying to kick him and he hacked away the votes? Alright. Yo, am I in the same server as you guys? Oh, mine froze. I clicked join. I don't know. I just joined, but it's being stupid. What game mode are you on? I'm on King of the Hill. No sounding. Are you on the GT team or the other team? Okay, yeah, we're in the same server. Dude, I had an MLG skin on here. I'm about to use that. Yeah, that's like my deploy. Just deploy. Just hold on. I already forgot how to use some of this shit. Oh, nice. Oh, did you just killed me? You just, dude, they changed the MLG skin. It's Snoop Dogg now. It's even better. I have 2,000 credits. I don't know what to do with that. Oh, let's go. Okay, I'm about to wreck you, sounding. Wait, actually, if you see me, if you don't shoot me, I want to show you my cool MLG skin. Then we can shoot each other. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, hold on. Oh, yeah. There's a bunch of neo Nazis over here. He sounds like Mo from the Phineas and Ferb show. No, from oh, we died. Oh, we lost. Mo from no, the Three Stooges. Wait, is the hacker still in the server? You stupid gay. Vote Metro. All right, that actually votes Dunes. Nice. Flare domination sucks. I have two. Wait, how much money do you have? I have 2,790. I have 2,790 credits. I don't know what I should buy. Wait, is Mike the hacker? Wait, is Mike the hacker? Wait. Oh, I think I found the hacker. He's on my team. Is his name Mike? Yes. Hold on. Where are they shooting? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Someone just killed me. Killer killed me. My KPR problem because right now my KDR used to be like 1.5. Now it's 0.67. So yeah, it sucks. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, he killed me. He's rank 17. How do you lay down again? Yeah, no. How do you lay down though? Oh no, the hacker's still here. It's so funny. Thankfully, he was on our team. Yeah, I just saw him glitching through the map. He was like, probably flawed. Okay. Wait, is wait, Spencer, are you in our server? Are you still playing CBRO? This one count. Wall hacking. Wait, did he kill you again? Yeah, I'm gonna wait. no one's. Dude, I think like nobody's on your team because like no one's come down to. Hey, dude. Yo, Matthew, go to checkpoint C. Dude, just go to checkpoint C. You're all good. Go to checkpoint C. You'll be good there. You guys are getting clapped. I don't know if it's because we have the wall hacker, but like, yeah, you guys are doing pretty assy. Yeah, all the checkpoints are ours. Alright, I just gonna scare the hell out of me. How many people are on your team? I feel like you have nobody, sadly. Okay. Mm-hmm. I like how. Or you can just join one of us. Just join one of us. Just join one of us. It's easier. Dude, you I don't know what's wrong with your team. I think your team's disabled because none of our checkpoints are guarded. Mm-hmm. I play Roblox. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to the hacker? I've seen no. I've literally seen no enemy soldiers. Right. I've seen no enemy soldiers. Oh, get out of here, sound. No. Oh, shut up. You know what? I'm gonna. Haha, loser. No, I think. Wait, type in the chat, Spencer. Just question mark. Oh, there you go. I am gay. Bye. Kiwi is censored. Mm. Always someone there to remind me. Wait, sounding, are you? I mean, Matthew. Oh, yes. Are you on my team, Matthew? Wait, Kiwi, who are you guys on my team or are you guys on the other team? I haven't seen a single. Oh, dude, I got one shotted. Dude, this guy's a KSG. Somebody sneaked up behind me and one shot me.